Sisters are doing it for themselves. Sorry. Sisters, Virtuosa, Euribia, MSC. Are they identical? Well, spoiler alert, they're not. And I've got 5 big things that are different with these 2 ships. So do you know what? Let's not hang around. Who wants a long intro? I don't, you don't. Let's find out and jump on board. Virtuosa started life in 2021 and Euribia started in 2023. They're both in the MERAVIGLIA PLUS class. Did I say that correct? Probably not. Let us know in the comments below. Both have 18 decks. First of all, the differences in the itineraries. In the winter of 23-24, Virtuosa is going to be in Dubai, and in the winter of 24-25, she's going to be in the Caribbean, and in the summers, once again, be in Southampton, while Euribia is in Southampton at this moment and will be throughout winter 23-24. And then we're looking at Northern Europe from Kiel and Hamburg. Then it's heading to Dubai for winter 24-25 and then back to Northern Europe in summer of 25. So pretty similar itineraries. But what are the 5 things that separate these 2 ships? Well, we're going to start first of all in the Carousel Lounge. Now, on Virtuosa, the Carousel Lounge is used primarily in the evening, and that is it. 1 or 2 shows of an evening. Now, these shows are quite extraordinary shows. You've got some pictures here. They are of an extra cost, so you're looking around €12, but they do include a cocktail. I haven't seen these shows, but the good lady Rachel has, and she thought they were excellent, worth every single penny. Problem is though, as mentioned before, that lounge is not used throughout the day. So a lot of the complaints on board Virtuosa is there's not enough space, there's not enough seating. So when Euribia came along, they changed all that, and they do have the Carousel Lounge, but it's used throughout the day. It's got stunning views out to the aft of the ship. For breakfast, you've got light bites between 8:30 and 11:30, and then until 5 o'clock afternoon light bites. Perfect place to go and have breakfast if you want to get away from the craziness of the buffet. And then of an evening, you've got big band. You've got shows in there, you've got singers, you've got things, music, big band style that is themed to rock, latest music, Broadway shows. They have different themes every single night and a massive big band. And it's a really, really good sound. It gets really, really busy in there. And then to finish off the night, it does have a disco. It also had in there its silent discos. So I think this is a really, really good use of space on ships that really need extra space. So although the Carousel Lounge great on Virtuosas, the shows are excellent. It needs really to have a space like it does on Euribia. So I think that's a really, really good change. On number 2 of changes between Euribia and Virtuosa. On Virtuosa, you have Rob the Robot. He serves you a drink for around €15. You can have alcohol or non-alcoholic drinks, and is known as the Starship Club. On Euribia, this area is Helios. It's a wine experience. You can get all the history, the details, wine tasting. It costs around €35 for the wine tasting. There is various times and various prices. Once you get on board, if you head to Helios, they'll give you all the details that you need. Also, the wine in here will cost you extra if you're just going to go and sit in here. There's machines where you just pop your card details in, give it a tap, and then you can buy by the bottle or by the glass. But these will not be included in your drinks package. So do note these will not be included. So you do have to pay extra. It's a lovely little space. Just take a quick break to remind you, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Plenty more content coming in 2024 from MSC. We have got our first cruise on Princess and some amazing content coming from Cunard. So varied cruise content hit that subscribe button. It's free, and from the 4Bs, it's a massive thank you. We're heading now for our third of our differences. On Virtuosa, you have Butcher's Cut. There is no Butcher's Cut on Euribia. Butcher's Cut is the steakhouse on board. We've been to Butcher's Cut on various occasions. Really, really enjoyed it. Good, varied menu. The grill is 75% the same, so only slightly different. I've only visited a grill once, and I was a little bit tired on that evening, so I'm going to be fair and not give it a good or bad review, but I do love Butcher's Cut, and I think that really was there any need to change it to the grill? Let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. That does mean that Euribia doesn't have Indochines, and that was your Vietnamese restaurant with a French twist, as it's known. I've not visited Indochine, but people that have said it was really, really tasty. So what do you think? Is that a good swap out? Where Butcher's Cut is our fourth change on Virtuosa, is now a larger Tepanyaki. So you've got a larger Tepanyaki, and you've also got the addition of Japanese street food. They're known as Robatiyaki. Robatiyaki? Did I pronounce that right? Really need a pronunciation class, I think. But anyway, it's Japanese street food. I'll stick with that. I'm safe with that, and that is excellent on Euribia. That is an addition you'll find on Euribia, and a really, really good addition. And you've also got the larger Tepanyaki to where the Butcher's Cut was. So love that Japanese area. You've got the sushi bar, you've got the Tepanyaki, and you've also got the street food. I won't try and pronounce it again. So that is a difference on Euribia. And number 5 in our differences between the sister ships, if you head into the games area, you've got Hologate Blitz, which is a standing experience on Virtuosa. You got to kill all those zombies. It's really, really graphic and really, really good on Virtuosa. It's a sit down and it's a ride experience, so it's like a virtual ride on Euribia, and I felt really sick on this, so I gave it a bit of a thumbs down. Fighting the zombies on Virtuosa, and on Euribia, you sat down on a ride, still fighting zombies. A lot of zombies, and it's around €10 per person. So don't forget to join us on our socials, Instagram, X, and Twitter. Don't forget to write a comment below. What do you prefer, Virtuosa or Euribia? Let us know in the comments, and if they made another of these class of ships, what would you change on board? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon on Cruising with the 4Bs. Press the screen now if you'd like Euribia's full ship tour.